Before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex report for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the Euro AI EA for MT5. This is an AI assisted system focused mainly on EURUSD. It sold for $30. So let's break down the claims and give you a balanced view. All right, so from the official website, as we have here, uh, you can see that the Euro EA or the Euro AI EA is built around layered decision making rather than a single indicator trigger. It combines artificial intelligence principles with price action, trend recognition, momentum, volatility tracking, and support/resistance analysis. The more specialized description positions it as an EURUSD H1 system that is three independent layers, one for overall market regime, trending, ranging, or transitional, one for price structure and noise filtering, and one for precise execution timing. A trade is only allowed when all layers align. This makes the EA selective. It may be inactive when conditions are unclear. The system is designed to avoid emotional trading by following predefined rules, using stop loss and take profit on every position, and rejecting greed, martingale, or uncontrolled averaging. It aims for quality over quantity of trades. Alright, so as for the features, the key features include multi-layer AI style confirmation, automated execution with hard stops and targets, dynamic risk adjustment based on conditions, customizable lot size or risk percentage, and the focus on disciplined lower frequency trading. It is recommended for ECN or raw accounts with suitable leverage, a minimum balance of $1,000, and strict adherence to the intended pair and time frame. Default settings are preferred, and EA is meant to run on a single chart without constant parameter changes. All right, so we have all the details here on the site. Because it's a selective system, performance depends heavily on how often the three layers or equivalent filters actually align. In periods when EURUSD is clean and trending, it can produce higher quality setups. In choppy or transitional markets, the EA is designed to sit out, which is intentional but can feel slow for traders who expect frequent activity. Right, so the absence of greed or averaging is a clear positive for risk control. Hard stops and predefined targets help keep individual trade risks defined. However, any AI or layered system is still subject to changing market regimes, broker execution, and the quality of the underlying logic. Um, Unfortunately, we don't have any screenshots or backtests from the developer, and I couldn't carry out my own personal backtests on the EA. But if I were to guess, I would say the equity curve of selective EAs like this often shows periods of growth interrupted by flat stretches or modest drawdowns while waiting for better conditions. Results will vary significantly depending on the specific EUR/USD environment during the test period. But honestly, I think the features that matter most are following the recommended pair and time frame, using conservative risks, and accepting that inactivity is part of the design. The layered confirmation aims to improve trade quality, but it cannot remove the inherent uncertainty of the forex markets. All right. So as for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, selective systems can underperform during extended ranging periods. Broker spreads, commissions, and slippage still affect results. The AI label can mean different things actually, depending on the developer's implementation. In practice, thorough demo testing over several months is essential to see how often it trades and how it handles different EURUSD regimes. Past results never guarantee future performance. So, who is the EA actually for, and who should avoid it? This EA suits patient traders who prefer a specialized EURUSD approach with selective entries and clear risk rules. It's good if you value discipline and are comfortable with lower trade frequency. If you want high frequency trading, multi-pair diversification, aggressive recovery methods, or constant market activity, you should probably avoid this EA. Beginners should still approach any automated system with caution and proper risk management. So overall, as we've seen, the Euro AI EA is a focused, layered decision-making system that prioritizes alignment and risk control over frequent trading. I think the EA has potential for traders who match its selective style, but realistic expectations and extensive demo testing are essential. And always remember to always trade with money you can afford to lose. Alright, so that's it for the video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description too. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.